Looks like Batanes. That's Mount Isarog. There's a carabao. The carabao is looking at the camera, wondering maybe what am I doing. Oh, carabao is afraid maybe. He's going away. It is going away. Okay, let's not bother him. Let's go to this place. We'll take a walk here. So at this time it's still sunrise. It's around maybe 6:10 right now. I didn't bring any time device, but I think it's around 6:10. Look at this, so peaceful. Look at this grass. Let's see how I can cross this. There's no snake here, right? No. There's no snake. Yeah, there should not be. See, there's a hut here. Small hut. Maybe it's good to be here in the afternoon to rest, because yeah, this place is good. Yeah, it's almost, this place is almost similar to Batanes, you know. Oh, I think I cannot cross here because, yeah, so muddy. Maybe it's not a good idea to cross from here. Oh, everything is muddy. Maybe it's enough from here. So there's a carabao there, as you can see. Oh, this place is so amazing. You cannot see this in Metro Manila, you know. Nothing like this. In Metro Manila. So cool, so peaceful, you know. Yeah. Let's go back. See this grass. You can never experience this in Metro Manila, you know. Nothing like this in Metro Manila. Yeah. Let's go back from here. Yeah. Yeah, there's a tree here. Under it is the hut, you know. So this is ideal in the afternoon, you know. You can rest here. After, I'm afraid there's a snake here, but maybe no. I should have brought stick with me, but maybe no snake, right? No, there's no snake. Yeah, there's no snake here. Okay, let's now cross again this this water. Yeah, we'll cross again. Jump. Yeah, okay. No, not jump. I didn't jump. Nowadays this kind of place in the Philippines is very rare, you know, because most of the rice field or this kind of place is already being used to build some subdivisions, you know, even maybe condos. But it's good that there is still a place like this here in Tinambak. By the way, I'm in Chera, Barangay Chera. Yeah, I think Chera, as far as I can remember. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's Chera, but the town is Tinambak, Camarines Sur. It's maybe 1 hour drive from Naga. Yeah. See, there is a free flowing water here, as you can see. Yeah. They said this one is I think it's coming from the river, because it's very long, no? I'm not sure, but according to my mother-in-law, if it is going to the to the rice, it's coming from the river. But there is also water coming from Mount Insarog, which is being used by the household here. Okay. Yeah. There's a highway here. This highway is also going to Naga. You know, Naga is at the back of Mount Isarog. I'm just curious why there is a sleeper here. Looks like the owner is a girl. I don't know. Maybe one of the piece of the pair was damaged, maybe. So yeah, it's damaged, by the way. I just noticed right now it's damaged. So yeah, makes sense. See this rice field. Nowadays it's very rare nowadays, you know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog.
Hi kayo. Hi kayo sa ano, sa mga viewers.
Fans? Hi guys, please support our ano